Frequent and effective cleaning of surface areas in the home can help prevent the spread of bacteria and viruses. This video shows how to clean surfaces using disposable disinfectant wipes. You can also use disposable paper towels or a clean cloth and a disinfecting solution. Never use a cloth or sponge that has already been used for cleaning. It often has bacteria on it and can spread rather than prevent infection. First, clean your hands with soap and water or alcohol-based hand gel. Gather the supplies you need: a container of disinfecting wipes, or a disinfectant such as bleach solution or Lysol, and paper towels or a clean cloth. Read the label on the disinfecting wipes or disinfectant solution to check if you need to wear gloves or other protection. If gloves are recommended, put on a pair of non-sterile gloves or clean kitchen gloves. To clean a surface, remove a disinfecting wipe from the container. Vigorously scrub the surface. When you are finished scrubbing the surface, put the wipe into the trash. Do not turn the wipe over and use the other side. This practice can spread bacteria. If you notice visible dirt on the wipe when you're finished scrubbing, use a new wipe to clean the surface again. Use a new wipe to clean each surface you've identified. Allow the surfaces to air dry completely. Air drying allows the antibacterial ingredients in the wipes to kill bacteria. Never use a towel to wipe the surface dry. This can add bacteria to the surface you just cleaned. Clean frequently touched surfaces such as tables and countertops, microwave and other small appliance handles, knobs, and surfaces, refrigerator handles and door edges, doorknobs, cupboard handles, and light switches, the kitchen and bathroom sink, starting with handles and faucets, then the sink surface. Personal items such as phones, computer keyboards, remote controls, and pens. The outside surfaces of medical equipment, such as pumps and monitors. The toilet handle and seat. And floor at the base of the toilet. Clean any other areas people or pets frequently touch in your home. This could include cribs and bedroom furniture items. Clean toys that may go into a child's mouth with soapy water instead of a disinfecting solution. Rinse with warm water and allow them to air dry. You may also put toys into a dishwasher for cleaning if they are dishwasher safe. When you are finished, clean your hands with soap and water.